Hello, I'm Stewart and welcome to this video on starting a SaaS company, how to get your first paying users. Now this video is a step-by-step high-level guide as to what you need to do to go from having no paid users to having as many as you want. Now let's make the assumption that you already have a solution. You might not, and that's absolutely fine. You'll still get a lot of value out of this video, but you have a solution. You've probably already tried marketing it in some way before, but for whatever reason, that approach just hasn't clicked. You haven't cracked the code. You haven't figured out the approach that's going to help you scale long-term and going to be very, very reliable. The guide here is going to take you through the exact steps that you need to go through, the steps that we use to market people's business to help you make your approach the most efficient approach it could possibly be, so that you can have customers coming to you instead of you chasing them, so that you have way more time to work on your solution instead of chasing clients, and so you can have stable cash flow and stable growth. So point one, and this is the most important point by a million miles, is market research. Now, everyone I speak to in SaaS tends to understand the value of market research. It's one of those industries where people are very switched on and they understand the importance of that. And that is generally a fantastic thing about this industry. However, a lot of people see a disconnect between their market research and their marketing. What you need to do for market research is you need to fully understand a few different things. And I have a complete video on how to run market research for your SaaS company, which by all means go and watch. I'll link it below and I'll link it at the end of the video. Now you also need to understand what's going to motivate someone to take them out of that problem, because a lot of people have problems they're absolutely fine with. They might have the problem, but they're not ready to move out of that situation yet. It's too much effort. They have too many other things to focus on. But there will be certain motivators that are going to help people go from the situation they're currently in to getting out of that situation. Sometimes it's external factors, but once you understand that, it will really help you focus your marketing on specific points in time, or even more specific audiences that will make your marketing click. So market research is incredibly important. It's where most of what you do in terms of marketing of SaaS will be made or will be broken. So very, very, very important. The more you do and the more detail you have, the better. As I say, watch the full video. Step two is strategy. Now you create a strategy based off the findings in your market research. Whatever your audience has told you, you need to inform whatever your marketing strategy is going to be. In the strategy stage, you are going to pick which platforms you're going to approach, how you're going to break down your content. Are you going to run paid ads? Are you going to run organic? Are you going to run outreach? Whatever you're going to do there, you just need to make those decisions, but you use the market research to inform the decisions you're going to make. Obviously, that's very specific to each individual company. Step three is asset creation. This is what most people skip to. Most people might do a little bit of market research. It's really tenuous, but they'll say that they have. They'll skip strategy altogether and they'll go, let's create an amazing website. And we all know SaaS companies make amazing websites, okay? There are enough designers out there doing that work and they do a damn good job. So you can have a fantastic looking website, you can have fantastic branding, but it just doesn't work. And the reason is you probably skipped step one and you probably skipped step two, or you've done them really half-heartedly, so you might as well have just not done them anyway. But you put all your time into step three, the creation of assets, creation of new logos, new websites, because that's really, really fun. It is fun, but you need the first two steps to make it work. Step four is very simple. You launch whatever you're going to do. You start doing the action. Obviously, you need to take action. You need to take action at scale and be very consistent with it to see any kind of result. Step five is the stage that lasts the longest. It's monitor, review, and keep going, just keep tweaking. So what you do is you look at everything you're doing, all the actions you decide to take in strategy, and you see, is this working? Is this not working? If it's working, do more of it, improve it. If it's not working, stop it or change it. It's that simple. But that process of constantly going and changing things and looking about how to improve is what makes marketing work. The first time you try something, it's a very, very, very low chance it's going to work out. It might do, but even if it does work, I guarantee within 6 months it'll be 100% more efficient if you keep going through that cycle of reviewing it and improving it and reviewing it and improving it. So those are the 5 steps you need to take to start acquiring new users, new clients on a regular basis. And that is it. It's genuinely that simple. The problem is in the execution. It's in skipping steps. It's in not doing the specific steps properly. That's where the problem is. But In terms of what you actually have to do high level, that is genuinely it. It's really not complicated, and I'm sorry there's no magic pill, but there is no magic pill anywhere. Now this video is part of the SaaS Marketing School. It's part of a series of videos that's designed to help you successfully scale your SaaS company by understanding everything you need to about marketing. So if you found this video interesting, if you want to learn more, please consider subscribing. There's a lot of videos out there and they're all there for you to benefit. Additionally, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will get back to you. If you want me to make specific videos about specific points, again, comment below and I will do that for you. And also, I just want to let you know that my company, Tech Growth Marketing, we obviously work exclusively with SaaS and tech companies. We are currently giving away free marketing strategy audits. You can apply for that audit via a link in the description below. We'll go through everything you're doing at present, help you make your approach way more efficient, help you identify where your roadblocks are, and then we'll also help you build out a strategy long-term for what you need to do that's bespoke to you, your exact situation. Now we do get a lot of applications for these free marketing strategy audits, and we have a limited amount of spaces available every week, every month, etc. just because we have to juggle this around everything else we're doing. So try and apply. Apologies if we cannot get back to you. But as a bonus, you do get 2 free guides. You get a 17 secrets to rocket your marketing. You also get a video strategy guide, which are very, very useful as soon as you apply. So definitely worth applying for that free marketing strategy audit. Really hope this video has helped, and I'll see you again soon.